to my house tour. Okay, so if you've seen my house tour the before, then you'll be able to compare and contrast how much work we've done and what it looks like now. I will link the other video up here. So just before we did any work really, well, we'd done a little bit of work. I did a house tour of the before. So yeah, check that out if you want to go and see what it looks like before. But I will walk you around the house and let me know what you think. Thought I would start in the hallway. I am joined by Hugo. Okay, so in this hallway, it's still the hallway at the moment, but I thought we're moving the hallway to the front of the house. This is the side of the house at the moment, but it needed a makeover just for the time being. So say hello, Hugo. Oh, bless him. So in here, we stripped the wallpaper, then we also had like picture mouldings, but not like the nice ones that look like this. They were badly made, poorly made, so we took those out and we filled in all the gaps as well. It's still kind of like not finished in here, but for the time being it looks fine. Painted this in Teal 01 from Lick. And then I also added these dado rails, which was from Roomix. I had a collaboration with both these companies and got them gifted to me, which obviously is amazing. Hello. Installed this mirror. We did paint over the original tiles, which a lot of people are really angry about, but I prefer it this way, so I'm going to keep it this way. But yeah, so it's looking a lot fresher, a lot better, easier to clean, a lot brighter. As you can see, there is lots of light coming in and it's bouncing off the walls and the mirror. So now I will take you through to the living room. So we've painted in here with Beige 04 from Lick. Again, I collaborated with them on that. So we took away the fireplace, we took away the picture mouldings, I plastered the walls, we got a new ridiculously huge television. And yeah, we basically we messed up the floor, we sanded it, and then we took the fireplace out and it just ruined it. And then this is also the new hallway. So eventually we're gonna have a front door there, and then it's going to come through and there'll be a hallway going down there like that, and then we'll be able to put like the sofa up against the wall, and then you'll come in through the door here and then go through there to the kitchen and whatnot. But yeah, so this is the hallway. This is the living room. So I've painted all the radiators black to try and give them a little bit of modernisation, painted the walls, painted the doors black as well. We obviously don't want this sofa here. It doesn't really look right. It's fitted in our last house. We can't afford one at the moment. Can we, Hugo? No. Right, so I'll take you up in the loft. So this is the only room that we haven't really like finished at all. Like all the rooms kind of haven't been finished, but this one is the worst. So as you can see, when we had the rewire, they took out the spotlights and I've started patching them up, but I haven't finished. But this is what it looks like up here. So Alex works there. Oh, hello, there's me in the mirror. And then I work over there. There's no storage in this bungalow, so we just literally popped it all over there and put a curtain up. That was the cheapest, easiest way to kind of segregate and give us a little bit of storage space. There is green 02 on the walls from Lick here. And we just ripped up the carpet and gave it a quick coat of masonry paint. So that's not completely finished either. So yeah, we also started scraping off the Artex, which you can kind of see here. But because the walls are just plasterboard behind, it was getting so difficult to scrape it off. So I kind of just stopped. We probably won't even bother scraping it off. We might, because we want to get this whole loft turned into a dormer. That's what we're doing at the moment. So yeah, a lot of work to do up here still, but there's not much point because it's going to all be ripped through soon, hopefully, if we get planning permission. So coming back down, there's little Hugo. I popped this gate up for him because when he goes upstairs, he can't get back down. And then he'll cry and cry and cry. So I've got to make sure I put that in. Then now we're entering the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. This is one of my favourite rooms. I don't know why, the colour palette is just so calm. It's a bit annoying because this is the only bedroom. So we've got both of our, so there's all my clothes in there. If you're asking where things are hung up, it was behind the curtain in the loft. And then Alex has got his wardrobe there, and then we got that and my makeup table. Hello, Yuki. But yeah, so I really do like this room. We haven't finished it completely, as you can see. Down there, we need to sort out the step there. And yeah, there's quite a few little things that we haven't done. So the skirting boards are not attached to the walls properly, and they need sort of, lots of little niggly bits that we just can't be bothered doing at the moment. But this is the bedroom. The floor I just absolutely love. And yeah, the colour on the wall here is white 05 from Lick. Isn't it, my darling? Hello, cheeky. And Hugo, that's Hugo's rug. But yeah, so if you're wondering where we got this flooring from, I got this from Facebook Marketplace. And yeah, I think I paid not even 300 quid for all of it. And then obviously we did have to sand it down, which was a bit of a nightmare, but it's so worth it because it's my favourite floor in the house. And now we're going to go into the bathroom, which again is my favourite room in the house. And this is the bathroom. So we've got herringbone floor here from, where did we buy that? N&C Tiles. And these tiles around the sink are from B&Q. Just do that. And then this is the shower area. Absolutely love having that dial there so you don't have to get wet. And we went for a slate grey tray, which I'm not sure that was a good idea, but never mind. Towel rail there. And then our vanity unit there, which I absolutely love. Yeah, definitely my favourite room in the house. These were from Desenio, I think, and most of the stuff are from Dunelm. They were IKEA. Dunelm. Oh, B&M, that was a tenner. Desenio, these were from B&Q. Right, come on then, you, out of here. That's a good boy. Just turn that off. Right, and then we go into the kitchen. So this was here already, so we just sanded it down. We stained it with a lighter colour because obviously we were going dark on the cabinetry, so I thought we could go a bit lighter on the floor. This was one of my DIY fails. I've done a video about my DIY fails, which you can go and watch. But yeah, I do really like the kitchen, to be fair. Considering these were already here, we're so lucky that, oh God, look at my nails. So lucky that they're decent. We got a new hob, an oven. We got a new tap, new tiles. We got spotlights in the ceiling. We've also had a new boiler. Lovely new boiler there. I put new knobs on everything, but they're not that great. To be fair, I paid 12 quid for 20, and they're just not that strong. So they're kind of coming loose, not because of, it's actually this section there, but yeah, so I'll probably buy new knobs. The ones up here are great, because I think we don't use as much force to open those, but the ones on the bottom, because I suppose you've got to pull, yeah, they're not as great. So I'll probably get some new ones to go there. We got that bin, which just fits perfectly by there. That was from Dunelm as well. And then, considering there's a massive table in here, still got quite a lot of room to walk around and whatnot. The table I got from Facebook Marketplace as well, and these chairs were my mum and dad's, which I've stolen and painted black and white and all sorts. But yeah, so we're really impressed with the kitchen. It honestly looks so modern and fresh and new. What is he doing? What is it, my darling? You want to go out? Come on, then you can go out. There we go. And then that leads us into the conservatory. So yeah, the conservatory obviously is old. It's a lean-to roof. It's gonna go eventually. But we managed to clean quite a lot of the floor. I think the previous owner was a painter. There was lots of paint on the floor and lots of different like textures and like, I don't even know what it was, but it was, yeah, it looked like chewing gum, but it was like putty. I don't know, whatever decorators use. Loads of that on the floor, so managed to get that off. We painted the wall, put up some artwork. That one was from my photo wall there from Desenio. Just got another table in here with all the garden cushions. And through there's the bedroom. And then the fridge and... What's he backing at? He's seen a cat. And then the fridge and then this drawer here, and we just keep, because the thing is we haven't got storage, so we've just got to keep like stuff like this in here. And then yeah, pots and pans, extra pots and pans in there. And then just got the clothes horse down there. Have I been through every room now? I think so. Hugo, stop it. And then this is what we've done with the garden. Oi, Hugo. But yeah, we put the tiki bar up and we had a party out here and it was pretty good and everyone fitted in well and it was, yeah, plenty of room. So yeah, we're pretty happy with how it's all looking at the moment. But yeah, and that's the house tour. But yeah, I think if we were to do this all over again, we probably wouldn't spend so much money in the bathroom. We probably wouldn't have hired a plasterer. I would have just done it myself because we hired a plasterer for the kitchen ceiling, which to be fair, I don't want to do that myself. So the ceilings I think is a good thing to get a plasterer for. Hired a plasterer for the bedroom, but in hindsight, I did this living room by myself. So I think I could have done that and saved us 450 quid. Couple of different things we would have done differently. Yeah, wouldn't have spent so much on the bathroom, 100%. We probably, it is gorgeous and we love it, but yeah, probably wouldn't have spent that much money on it. And as well, we would have got an architect from the get-go, I think, and got plans drawn up from the get-go, because we've spent money on stuff that's gonna get ripped out eventually, or yeah, ruined pretty much. Even the bathroom might get ruined if our planning permission is approved and we get everything redone, because apparently every ceiling has got to come out of the bungalow. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my house tour and little Hugo. And I shall see you in the next video.